This is Aisha from Skin Passion, and it's almost the sun is setting, and I just want to make this quick video to say hello to everybody and let you know that we'll still be coming on with some new soap videos. But today's video is not about soap making. I just want to show you a little bit around my garden, and also I have a request, a favor that I need, and hopefully somebody out there might be able to help me. So this is my passion fruits that I planted under this mango tree. The mango was diseased, so we had to cut it. So this is the new trellis system we made for it. And over there I have my banana. In fact, it's fruiting. This way, if you come this way, you see it clearly. That's my banana. It's fruiting. And just behind it, over there, I have my what do you call it, curry leaves, right? Those are curry leaves. And there is another curry leaf over there, but I'm sure you guys have seen it. Yeah, so there you see my sugar canes and my other curry leaf tree, and that's my moringa plant right here. And then okay, here you have my soursop tree. And then when we go out, this is my new trellis system up there, and that is for my passion fruit. I'm sure you all remember this passion fruit that I grew accidentally. I had no choice but to take care of it. So now they are grown. I didn't do the trellis well, but I've made this trellis right here, maybe right here, so you can see the new trellis system. I'm hoping that it's gonna climb it all, so all here will be shaded. And back here, I have my potatoes bush. It's really taking over. I believe it's even showing outside the gates now. It's just everywhere now. That's my sweet potatoes right there. And over here, I have, we just transplanted this into here. These are arrow roots. I'm experimenting with it, so hopefully it will all, grow. And back to the main reason why I am making this video is right here in front of me, all this space. I want to plant dragon fruits, but it's so difficult to get the cuttings here. I did nurse some. They look come and see. I did nurse some right here, but they're not doing very well, and this is from seeds. I was very lucky enough to find the fruits in the supermarket. They were expensive like crazy, but I've tried this and it's not really growing. This is like 4 or 5 months old. It's not really growing well. Anyway, the main focus of this video today is I want to do an exchange, and this is especially for all the dragon fruit growers out there, be it a farm, be it in a garden, be it in a house. If you have some cuttings to spare, of a few cuttings of the varieties you have to spare, then I really like somebody who can give me some cuttings, and then in turn I will also teach them how to make soap the Skin Passion way. So this is a request I'm putting out there. If you know somebody who has dragon fruit in their backyard or growing in the farm or in the garden, and they have cuttings to spare, and they are interested in learning how to make natural soaps the Skin Passion way, then please get in touch. My WhatsApp number will be in the description box, and then anybody who's interested can WhatsApp me, and then we can talk about it, how to do it. So it's very simple. You give me few dragon fruit cuttings, few varieties, and then I in turn will teach you how to make soap the way we make it here at Skin Passion. So I'm praying, I'm hoping, begging, please, if there's somebody out there who can help me, please do. I've tried to buy it on Amazon or eBay, but then you have like 1 or 2 cartons and they are very expensive, and I need quite a few, you know, so I'm putting it out there. I mean, YouTube is a big world. There are a lot of viewers. Somebody might know somebody, or somebody who actually grows them might see this video and be like, maybe I can help this lady out, and she in turn can help me out. So this is why I'm here. I thank you all very much for watching. Take care, and hopefully I'll hear from somebody and I'll give an update. Take care. This is Aisha from Skin Passion. Greetings all the way from Accra, Ghana. Bye bye.